Check out the beautiful of this cake. Delicious. Hi, welcome back to the episode of Cooking Today the Kitchen, and today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good, delicious velvet or vanilla sponge cake. Delicious, easy to do. Follow along with me and I will show you how I made it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to start off with some 4 egg whites, and then for the stand mix, and we're just going to put a little bit of that corn flour. Start off slow. A little bit of that corn. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, and that's what we're looking for. We're going to put this to the side. And okay, we're going to start with, it's very important to sift this in. And we're adding 3 to 4 cups of flour. Don't worry about the ingredients because I'm going to leave them down below. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of baking powder with this. Finish sifting this in. Okay, that side we're going to add 3 egg yolks. Okay, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of milk, and we're going to just whisk this together. Fold it in. We're just going to put our batter into here. And we're going to put this into the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. We'll come back when it's finished. Okay, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of whipping cream. And then we're going to add in a tablespoon of sugar. Followed by some get our whipped cream on this. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. Take a look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Very moist too. That is so delicious. This looks good. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do so, hit that bell so you don't miss a notification. Y'all see y'all next time.